Hello, tell you about the little seed. One day, Dad asked to help him plant some green peas. We put them few inches into the ground. We covered them with soil and weather. Then, every day I went out to check if anything happened. They passed and I started to think planting was that of time. Then one day, while I was doing my own check, I noticed something. There were little green leaves poking out of the soil. It may seem silly, but it was very exciting to see this. The seed we plant turned into plant, and these plants were going to grow with little pieces. It may think about how everything grows, even how people grow. In some day, they are not so different from those little bit. I said to my dad, we need food, water, and a place to grow. I learned a lot from the little seeds. Hãy chương trình mẹ video xin thành. Bye!